I'm with a Baba who's become very popular, known now as IIT Baba. Tell us about your story. I mean, everyone's been talking about it. How did you become, a sannyas? How did you enter into this after graduating from IIT Bombay, which I'm sure by itself was a challenge?
It was a challenge. And obviously, clearing IIT is not easy. You have to study a lot. But it's not like a transition, as I tell people again and again. Like, it's not like you are doing something and now you are not doing that. It's not like my IIT knowledge has gone now, but I cannot use it.
Yeah.
Right?
So it's gone?
So whatever you have done in your life, it all accumulates, right? It kind of paves the path for the next step. So whether I have done IIT or I have gone to like this, whatever I studied in IIT, it's like a cause and effect if you analyze, no? So somewhere like the dominoes fell like that.
I think it led you to this.
Yeah, obviously. Because if you don't go there, then because I come from like a small city, then you don't get the exposure of the life. Then you don't get this curiosity also. Like there are other options also, right?
So tell me, what really prompted you to do this? Was it, some say, that maybe stress did it? That you had enough of that life? That it was hard to crack IIT Bombay, you were stressed and so you chose this path? Was that it?
No. After IIT Bombay, I cracked like another entrance also, no? Like Masters in Design.
Okay.
So for that, they also have like seed examination. That is also very hard to crack. Crack that also. Then after that, I cracked like PR in Canada. So I have to collect like IELTS and everything. You have to score very high. So a lot of
all these options.
yeah, options are there. I mean, capability-wise, I never had a problem. But somewhere like something was lacking or something was not connecting in a sense. So then you keep finding like what is this empty feeling or what is this emptiness that you are searching for. So you search for it like in passion, in career, in other stuff, whatever, right? But then you find, okay, no, this is not it. This is also limited.
So what do you mean? As a journalist, I'm someone who's working, right? I find fulfillment in my work. So were you not finding that fulfillment or was it that you were seeking more?
I mean, for you also, like, can you find fulfillment in your work your entire life?
I don't know yet. I can't predict the future, right?
So that's the thing.
So did you see yourself in the future and say, look, I don't see myself feeling that fulfillment or feeling that, I'm successful? What was it? I'm just trying to understand, what was the trigger?
I mean, you won't get the trigger actually because it's not one trigger in a sense.
Okay.
So like fulfillment also, that's why from IIT I shifted to design, like photography and like, following your
Trying to find
passion or fulfillment, like you are saying, you are having it. So initially it was very nice. You are traveling, you are moving to different places, you are doing photography, you are living like a dream life. But then after some time you feel like, okay, but why am I doing it? Like, it does it really matter? Or do I really have what it, So it's like after certain time, the passion dries up.
Okay.
So maybe it won't happen for you, maybe, who knows?